Hello, LA. My name is Jason.
And my name is Kadian, and we will be your hosts for today.
Little school, please stand up for our karakia.
Mā te whakapono, mā te tūmanako, mā te titiro, mā te whakarongo, mā te mahitahi, mā te whakamomori, mā te aroha, ka taea e mātou.
Please stay standing for our national anthem.
Here's the Tuk Tuk Challenge.
Year 7 teachers, can you please present your awards?
Kira Middle School. So for room 13, the award goes to my three girls. That's Rachel and Nilufia Mafua and Amiria Kiri. And this is for just being present in the classroom, doing all the work that is there, helping in class, and just showing our middle school manner. Thank you.
Talofa Middle School Room 3 awards go to CLC and Nashiana for their awesome work during class time and for always participating in class.
Good afternoon, Middle School. For Room 11 this week, the awards go to Flame, Tere Moana, Naire, Masenga, Aria. Thank you for joining Room 12 this week. Thank you for your being so enthusiastic and just learning everything that Room 12 has been learning, and we have loved having you guys on board. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Middle School. Room 5's awards this week go to this student here, Tennessee, who's been showing great leadership in class. He's been responsible for our recycling bins and also coming in early, putting down all our chairs and being very responsible with our windows and locking up. And also Jasmine for working independently. She works really hard and she did some excellent work with her art this week. So well done, kids.
The past couple of weeks have been difficult.
Yeah, the pod decided to brighten each pod with another heart attack.
Do something, it's a video.
Shh, I got my job. Oh. Oh.
Smile, yeah.
Oh my.
April, how does it taste? Press down and twist.
How many?
Yellow pod, what do we say? Yellow pod, what do we say? Aloha nui.
I hope it brightened up your day.
Year 8 teachers, can you please present your awards?
Morena Middle School. This week, my two awards go to Valu and Lachlan for always showing middle school mana and helping around the classroom, and also for completing all their tasks throughout the week. And this week from Room 10, my two awards go to Peter and Telesia for demonstrating all 3 C's of collaboration, creativity, and communication in class and pod activities.
For this week, Room 12's awards will go to Kolo and Atasema. Thank you so much for coming to school every single day. Thank you for showing middle school mana by helping our Room 11 students and just the respect that you have for each other. Thank you.
Morena Middle School, this week my awards from Room 1 go to Tina and Faith for working very hard this week on their writing and for creating really good poetry.
You feel it? Can you feel that fire burning? Can't conceal this. All these emotions inside. 'Cause I want you to know I wanna grow with you. I want to be all that you will ever need. And I want you to be the first thing that I see. When I wake up in the morning, I wanna roll over to you, laying by my heart. Feel the touch of my skin while we watch the sun rise. Inside is yearning for you, heart's turning for you. Through thick and thin, I'll be right there, there, there. Whether we lose or win, I'll be right there, there, there. We'll go through it all, and through the rise and fall.
Noise, noise,
Gladly be your lady love. I'll gladly take the spot that remains right by your side. I'll gladly follow you now and even after life. I'll gladly be your lady love. I'll gladly take the spot that remains right by your side. I'll gladly follow you now and even after life. I'll gladly
Ooh, yeah. Can you feel that fire burn? I can't conceal this, yeah. All these emotions inside, yeah. 'Cause I want you to know I wanna grow with you. I wanna be all that you will ever need. And I want you to be the first thing that I see. When I wake up in the morning, I wanna roll over, see you laying by my side. Feel your touch on my skin while we watch the sunrise. Inside is yearning for you, heart's turning for you, yeah, yeah. Through thick and thin, I'll be right there, there, there. Whether we lose or win, I'll be right there, there, there. We'll go through it all, and through the rise and fall. Noise, noise,
Miss Atiata and Purple Pod has a few words of encouragement.
Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint.
Jeremiah 17:7. Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord,
whose confidence is in him.
So our word of encouragement for everyone today is to make sure your hope is in the Lord. Although everything around us may be falling down and seems like everything's going wrong, but if we keep our hope and our faith in Jesus, we'll be okay. And for those of our staff and students who are still remaining at home, we miss you, but we know that our prayer will keep you guys safe and you guys will all return back to school very soon. Love you. Kia kaha, middle school mana, all day, every day.
I hope you enjoyed your week at school.
Stay safe and have a wonderful weekend.
Middle school, can we please say a closing prayer?
Kia tau. Kia tau. Kia tātou katoa. Kia tātou katoa. Te atawhai. Te atawhai. O tātou. Araki. O tātou araki. A ihu karaiti. O ahi karaiti. Me te aroha. Me te aroha. Te atua. Te atua. Me te whiwhi. Me te whiwhina. Tahitanga. Tahitanga. Ki te wairoa. Ki te wairoa. Tapu. Tapu. Ake. Ake. Ake ake. Ake ake. Amene. Amene.
So for middle school, I know. Okay. Yeah. What am I gonna say? Your teacher's not here, but I'll do it.
Okay, this week from room 8, my 2 awards go to Ephraim and Monica for demonstrating excellent teamwork. Room 8, my 2 awards go to... Can't. Look, here's over here.
Good afternoon, middle school. Room 5's stars of the week. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Yep.
Okay, 7 teachers, can you please present your awards?
Yep.
Your 7 teachers, can you please present your awards?
Past weeks have been. Oh, wait.
So yellow pod. That's a pod.
Me a Vegemite.